Techno Industrial Products offers 3-piece ball valve with mounting pad in SS316 material. All valve of these series are manufactured as per ASTM B16.34 standard, and we are committed to provide best quality at affordable prices. These valves are widely used in high-quality, demanding industries such as pharma, dairy, edible oils, sugar, paper, etc. Heavy-duty industrial boilers and dryers, HVAC system, compressed air and gas systems, and pneumatic fixtures, etc., and much more you can think of. Image shows working of 2014 series valves with the help of pneumatic actuator, as you can see opening and closing of the valve. These valves are highly supported in automatic machines due to their fast response and accurate working. Available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.